What I usually suggest to my clients during my consultations is to have an art and accessories in your office that inspire you. And not only inspire you, but maybe represent to some extent what you do. So what I have here, I have, for example, a beautiful statue of Kuan Yin, who inspires me to have more love and compassion in my work. I also have here a beautiful Chinese scroll with water, which I bought in China when I was studying Feng Shui in China. So it's not only energizing my space here, it actually, I created my background for my website from it. So I have really strong connection to this piece of art. I also have a photograph here of Feng Shui gardens in Shanghai. And this picture is very special to me too, because that was background of my first website. And finally, and this image is right in front of me, I see it. So this is an image of angel, of rising spirit. And this image is very representative to me, to my energy, and to what I do.